Hi, today I have an BKS lock. It's I think an old one because of the key and letters on the BKS. Pretty nice beading. It's a 5-pin lock, high lows, and it's a pretty interesting keyway. You can see the key, and I think you can see the keyway. It's pretty pericentric and restricted. So I will try now to pick it. You can see me changing picks couple of times because of the wording and the pericentric keyway. So let's start. One, it's binding. 2, click. 3, nothing. 4, nothing. 5, I think small click on pin number 5. Let me start from the beginning again. 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3, nothing. Yeah, I need to go with a deeper hook, so because I cannot touch any other pins. So I touch pin number 2 and I'm in false set. 3, nothing. 4, small click, and 5, again small click and turn on the core. It's not that easy to pick this lock. It's like a combination of the keyway and the beading. So yeah, I think it's now. Let me double check everything. So pin number 3 is giving me some, or it's pin number 4, I think now. Yeah, pin number 4 set, but I think overset everything. Let me try again. 1, nothing. 2, I think 2 it's now. Yeah, small click from pin number 2. 3, nothing. 4, couple of clicks, and I'll try to force a bit pin number 4, and 5, I think nothing. Yeah, it's pretty tough lock for a stock lock, and BKS like a German lock is not giving me any, like, it's giving me a lot of hard time. So let me can check. 1, 2. Oh, and I touched pin number 2 and it's open. Pretty tough lock for a standard lock. I think a lot of security pins, but we'll see. Let me adjust a bit. it's a 6-pin body, so you can see 6 holes, but only populated by 5, and it's a 5-pin core, standard one, but yeah, pretty rusty one. Here's that keyway, and now you can see all the pins. So all the key pins are standard. 1, 3, 4 and 5 are spools, and 2 and 3 they are standard. The first one is pretty rusty one, and all the springs are the same. So that was the BKS lock Euro cylinder picking gadget. So guys, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.